Hi, I'm Chef Alex Retoff, and you may not have time to cook, but there's always time for flavor, and we are gonna put a ton of flavor in this really simple pasta dish. So let's get started and take a little tour of our ingredients. So, here's my garlic, and we're gonna use a couple of half teaspoons for this, which each teaspoon equals a clove of garlic. Here's our pasta that's parboiled to 9 minutes, 13 minutes to take us all the way to fully cooked. I've got a lemon. We're going to use the rind of the lemon. We've got crushed red pepper, which you can use as liberally or as conservatively as you wish. We're also going to add some parsley and some basil, and we're going to start this with olive oil. So let's get going. I'm going to take some parsley, and we'll coarse chop this, and that's just enough right there. Got one that went away from me, and now I'll take a little bit of basil. Oh, and this basil is just amazing. And if you take this fresh basil and you just roll it in your hands a little bit gently, you spring out all the flavors. So we're gonna curl it under a little bit, and I'm just gonna do some nice little juliennes of this. The first thing we gotta do is get some boiling water, which you can see it's boiling. We're gonna add a good amount of salt to it. Don't be too bashful on the salt. At this point, I take my pasta and I put it in here because we got 3 minutes with the pasta, and I should be done with the rest of it by then. I'm gonna take the garlic and I'm gonna stir this around as we go. You can see it sizzle. I'm gonna take some of this, add that to it, and I'm gonna add some more later. I'm gonna add some crushed red pepper. I'm gonna add a little salt and pepper to this part. And next, we're going to zest a lemon. And now we're just about ready to add our pasta. And I don't mind if I get a little bit of water in this. So I'm going to add near the end a little bit more of our parsley basil, and we're just going to wilt it down. Well, all right, let's serve this up. I'm going to make a nice big mound in the middle of the plate, give it a little twist. That's the chef thing, and I'm gonna give it a little bit more on top, which is all the goodies at the bottom. This is the way to go, using Spice World's minced garlic. It's incredible, it's easy, it's fun, it can be vegetarian. Oh, and by the way, I'm gonna shred a little cheese on top. This is gonna make it even more outstanding. And there you have it. You've got everybody fed and happy.